Today we have a video from Primary Officer, and the title of the video is Cheating Discovery Sends Heartbroken Woman into Chaos.
I smacked him because he got me fucked up.
Why you got you fucked up?
Wait, is this my sister calling me? No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna crash. No!
I'm gonna push you.
Bro, let me He had no reason to come up and come to me like that.
This car over here. Pass yourself. You got anything on you need to be worried about?
No.
No? You space the car for me?
No.
No pockets on these, nothing like that?
No.
Okay. Want your sweatshirt pulled down a little bit?
No.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, is my titties out?
Anything in here?
No.
You mind if I look?
Yeah.
You need an ambulance? Did you get maced?
I sure did.
Okay. I think they have one coming. Alright, so. Is your ID in here?
Yeah.
Where at, do you know?
Well, I could get it for you if I wasn't under handcuffs.
We're gonna stay in those for now till we figure out what's going on, okay?
So who was it? You that just pinned me up on the wall like that?
No, I just got here.
How the I gonna...
I got here after you were already putting handcuffs.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's why
Because he wanted to manhandle me like what the
Okay. What's your name?
Can I take these off? I'm not gonna run, I swear to God.
Not until I'm not the one that put them
Oh,
on.
well, let me put them in the front. I can do it myself.
You can't put them in the front right now.
I can do it myself.
No. What's your first name? What's going on today?
Shit, nothing,
Actually,
for real.
Give me 1 second, okay. Do you want to sit in here? I know it's cold.
No, hell
you
no.
don't want to sit here?
Hell
Okay.
no, I'm good. I'm warm.
You're warm?
Can you take this headband off my head, though?
I can't.
The headband?
Oh, the headband?
Yes, take it the off. Wait, can you also get my phone and call my sister? Because my sister in there and I need her to come right here, right now.
No, I can't call your sister right now. Go ahead.
Why can I?
This is why when I was a CO, the answer is always no. No. It's just much easier to say no. Like, you know, it's one of those words that's like, you know, to some people it can be satisfying, but it's powerful. You know, no. You know why? Because when you give an inch, they take a mile. That's how it is, right? Maybe she's having some trouble with her hair or whatever. It doesn't feel comfortable or whatever. We're seeing this as a prime example. Hey, can you take the headband off of my head? Okay, no problem. You know, okay, cool. Can you get my phone and call my sister? It's like one thing after another. But she probably wouldn't have asked the second question if you said no to the first one, right? It always starts off as something small and then it escalates to bigger and bigger things. That's why you see a lot of people getting caught up, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I know this is going on a whole nother tangent. You're probably new to the channel, you never watched me before. My subscribers, they already know. But if you new watching this, just stay with me now. Just listen to me, all right? Just stay with me now, all right? Just stay with me. But this is why you see a lot of times you see correction officers and things like that getting caught up with inmates in the bullshit, you know, bringing things in or whatever the case may be, right? Because it always starts off as something small and then over time it escalates to bigger and bigger things. Now this is something completely different, but it's still the same type of thing, right? Headband versus making a phone call, right? Headband, that's not really that big of a deal. But if you do something small for me, maybe I could get you to do something else. Just say no. You ain't have to remove the headband. Who the fuck told you to wear a headband? That's on you. You know what I'm saying? We're going to remove it when you're down at the jail and you have to remove it or whatever. But I'm not touching you. No. That's how it should have been.
I'm sure she probably.
Hey Siri.
You're out here.
Hey Siri. Call. But can you take my phone out and set it right there?
No, it's gonna
No,
stay
you
right there.
can't do shit, huh?
No, I can't.
Useless as hell.
For now, yeah. Over here.
Now she walking away. Now she want to do what you want to do.
Right here.
Now she want to dictate where she stands. Come on, guys.
You stay out of the road, at least.
I'm not in the road. Y'all in the way.
See this badge?
Ford.
Yeah. I want you to stay on this side.
I got a Ford too.
Stay on this side.
Come on. Okay, can you pull my jacket down? My face burns. Like, what the I need some water or something. This should be illegal.
All right. You want to talk with me at all about what
What do I
happened?
have to say?
I was just gonna ask you what happened, but because
Nobody beat me up. Nobody put their hands on me. I don't know what the they're talking about.
Give me 1 second, okay? You're not under arrest, okay?
No, I smacked my because he talking crazy. I smacked him. He didn't hit me. He restrained me.
You want to listen to me? Real quick.
Yes.
You're not under arrest.
Okay.
You're just detained. But because you are in handcuffs, I still have to read you your rights.
Absolutely.
Okay? You understand that?
Yes.
All right. So now I can ask you what happened.
Nobody beat me up. This is not a domestic. Nobody hit me.
Okay, well, what
You said you just smacked him. How is that not a domestic?
I smacked my That's what happened. And then those white guys came in and was like, oh my God, are you gonna hit a girl? And he didn't even hit me. I smacked him.
Why'd you smack him?
Because he got me fucked up.
Why you got you fucked up?
Wait, is this my sister calling me? No, you can't see.
I'll answer it, and I'll set it right here.
Okay, here. My niece is missing and my sister baby dad. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Stay over here. Stay over
No,
here.
no, 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 no.
Stay
I'm gonna crash. No.
I'm gonna push you in the car.
Bro, let me the Let me
I gave you the benefit of the doubt. You didn't want to stop. Now you're gonna sit in the car.
Is she gonna go in willingly? You want me to pull you through?
Yeah, my sister just came to pick up my niece, and he just got killed, and my niece is missing.
Get in the car.
Motherfucker just told me like what? No, y'all
she's
just
been
told me that
searched,
I'm not under arrest. So what the fuck am I gonna get in the car for?
Yeah, but now
You're
you're
detained.
acting,
You
you're
need to
acting like
get
a
to the
fool
car.
on the road.
Can I just sit right here?
No.
I might go run.
You can get into the car, or I'm gonna go around the other side and I will pull you through the car.
But
It's
what?
up to
How
you.
he gonna talk to me from in the car?
With the window
I'm done
down.
talking with you because you start yelling.
Because bro, my niece is missing. My sister baby daddy
I
just
will
got
talk
killed.
to
My
you.
niece is missing.
Sit in the car.
I will talk to you. You need to sit in the car.
How long is this gonna take?
As long as it takes. You got a whole investigation to do. Okay? You need to sit up, please.
But like no, look, I just got made. So can we at least roll
Okay.
all the way down?
Yes, I will. Put your feet all the way in the car. What's this? How was he going?
I have no idea.
That should have happened from the jump. Damn, I feel like this video. Damn, we already 8 minutes in, but 5 minutes into the video. Damn, I'm yapping too much. All right, I'm gonna let it play. All right, well, I'm gonna say one more thing and then I'm gonna let it rock. Listen, when he cuffed her and whenever she was cuffed or whatever, and he's checking the bag, he should have been took the bag off her. You know, that's that's how I would have did. That's what I think is, normal. I would have took the bag off her, because now you dealing with her reaching in the bag. Oh, my sister calling me and putting the phone up. Nah, take the bag off her. Boom. So now you setting that bag to the side. She can't even really do nothing with that. That's how I would do it. Now I'm gonna let it rock. I feel like I probably been yapping too much, huh?
What's that?
Where's she at?
She's fine. Stay over
No,
here.
I'm saying what happened though.
We're trying to figure that out, but she won't stop
Were you
screaming.
guys here for it?
Can I talk to her for a second?
Shut the up, bro. Shut up.
I promise you I can calm her down.
Did she come right here and talk to me?
She can't because you keep screaming. Stop screaming.
No, I'm claustrophobic.
I understand that. The ambulance is here. They're going to be the ones that check out your eyes, all right?
Okay.
Okay, well, stop screaming. All right, I want to talk to you. If you yell, I'm going to shut this door again, okay?
I'm not, but can I please stand up?
No, you have to stay right here.
Okay, but is the door gonna stay
No,
open?
your feet are going to stay in. I'm going to shut the door if
Can
you
I
don't
just
put your
leave
feet
them right here?
No,
Like right here.
all the way in. Thank you. Okay. So what started the argument between you and your man?
Cause
Okay. What happened?
so I smacked him.
Well, I mean, like, what was he doing? Was he
But like,
talking
see,
to girls
no, see, they made it seem like it was something that it wasn't. It wasn't like as aggressive as they saying. Like, we get into it all the time. I smacked him.
That, but we just gotta get all the facts.
I smacked him. He works with kids. He restrained me. He didn't put his hands on me, no shit like that, like to where I need to be pressing charges on him and shit. Like, he literally just grabbed my arms to stop me from trying to smack his again.
Okay.
So he literally just grabbed my arms, and then some white guy with his shirt off came in and just like stole off his punched him, and they got to fighting and shit. I don't know.
The white guy with long hair?
Yes, like he just came up and started hitting on him for no reason. I don't know. He thought he was gonna hit me, but he didn't hit me.
Okay. Alright. Kind of makes more sense now that everybody's... Is your man still here? What's your man's name? Is he still here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We know if anybody's
No,
talking to
but
him or
look,
what?
so see, this is what my problem is.
Was he the first one that got taken?
Yes.
When I was walking up?
Yes.
Okay, so he's already... Okay, so somebody's probably already talking to him.
Yes, but that is my sister over there. She called to tell me my sister's baby dad, my other sister's baby daddy just came to pick up my niece and take her back to Chicago because he's watching her for the weekend, and he just got killed, and my niece is missing, and I want to let my sister know that. So she don't need to waste her time out here. She needs to go see what the up with my niece.
Wait.
Malik Parker, he's on his way to Chicago, Illinois.
Okay.
He just got killed in traffic, and my niece is missing on the highway.
Like just now?
Yes, my 4-year-old niece. My sister just called me to tell me right there when the police officer was you that was just right there when they answered the phone? Yes, and now she's missing. Like I'm not even worried about this shit with him no more. I'm worried about my niece.
So I want you to take a breath, okay? People are really quick to call 911 if there's an accident on the road. Okay?
I'm aware.
So obviously I don't have information on your niece because it didn't happen in I don't know what they're doing, but your niece is probably fine, okay? So just take a breath. As soon as we figure out what's going to go on here, as soon as we figure out what's going on here, I'm sure there'll be a time where you can, make contact with somebody who's going to have your niece with them, okay?
Okay.
So you don't need to worry about that. We just want to worry about this situation.
Okay,
so
well,
it's
can
just
you stay right here so I can keep this door open? I got mace all over my face. Like, I'm claustrophobic. I can't do this. I'm literally going to pass.
Okay.
And I'm 2 months pregnant. Like, I'm not trying to...
Okay. Is it with... Or whatever,
Yes.
whatever her name is?
Yes.
Okay. So I just want to recap just so I got it right. So he just being... Well, you didn't explain why he's being a...
So earlier today I was with him and he showed me a video off his phone, and the shit said like when a notification from Messenger popped up and it said notification. I'm like, you gotta be a sneaky to have your phone unlocked and it still say notification. So we got into it this morning, and then I seen him downtown tonight. So I'm like, bitch, what's tea? Like, and then some girl kept calling his phone, and I was like, no, call her back. So he called her back, and then he called her back. She was like, I don't care, I'm on my way to da-da-da-da and da-da-da-da. And I'm like, so what you keep calling him for? And then I'm like, okay, so I pushed his like, he like restrained me and shit, whatever.
You pushed him or you slapped him?
I don't know.
You don't remember? Okay. So it all kind of started over the messages in the phone and the girl calling him. And then escalated to this guy thinking your man was going to hit you.
That he was about to hit me, yeah.
Those two got into a regular, mutual fight kind of thing?
But he hit him first. I mean, shit.
Okay.
That guy hit her first, so I don't know.
All right. I have to shut this for a second because I got to go figure out what we're going to do next, okay?
Can somebody else come stand right here?
I'll see, but...
My face burns.
Another ambulance just showed up.
He not coming to me. They coming to him.
Well, they're looking at the dude with the braces first, and then they're going to
Look at me. What the was not on my head? I fell on the ground. Fell on my head. I fell on the ground. I got a big right here.
Oh, yeah, I do feel
And they don't care about me. My vision is going blurry and shit.
I'll let them know that you have the knot as well, all right?
Come on, guys. Notification. You changing the name to whoever to notification. Listen, that's been patched, man. That method has been patched, man. You can't use that no more, man. It's over with. You gotta change your joint to DoorDash support, man. Yeah, that DoorDash support. Listen, I just threw you the alley-oop. Here you go, man. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. But no, man, this is just she's so needy. Oh God, she's needy. And you know, whatever. It is what it is, man. He was cheating. She caught it. How you changed the name of the person to notification? Come on, man. Come on, man. That's you asking to get caught. You just like, here you go, here, catch me. Like, yeah, like it's just no. That ain't gonna work, man. But anyways, yeah, it's just easier to say no, man, because she's just so needy and everything. Nah. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.